Forget the hype. This is the real path from Amazon to Walmart profits. And you can see right here, we just had a newer client and they've been selling for less than a month on Walmart and made around $6,000. So that's not bad for your first month on Walmart because there are less competitors and there is a huge opportunity. Now there's fast money and there's slow money, of course, on Walmart, just like there is in most areas of life. Fast money, it doesn't last as long, but slow money does last longer. But first, I'm going to be showing you the fast money approach, and it's going to be the reselling approach, like reselling Pokemon items or things of that nature. You can see there are sellers that are randomly selling Pokemon items right here. And here's one. This is a reseller, right? We can see right down here, Logos Group. I don't know who they are, but we do have a tool from Helium 10. It's in the description so we can see how much money they're actually making per month on Walmart. And if we look at this, you can see their Walmart revenue right now is $21,000 a month. It's just completely insane just to have those types of numbers, especially since there's not many competitors on Walmart right now. So the fast way to make money on Walmart is going to be reselling. If you can find a good partner and resell on Walmart, you'll be surprised that there's almost no competition compared to Amazon, right? And of course, Walmart is going to ask you for some type of invoice, so just be ready to prepare those because at some point Walmart will ask you for those. But if you're stuck and you're like, reselling sounds great, where do I find resellers? How can I, you're smart. Use ChatGPT. Not only that, what you can actually do is go here and click on the name of the person on Walmart, and it's going to show you their storefront. It's going to show you all of the products that they sell. You can click shop all, and you can see what products they're selling. And you know for a fact, if this person is making $21,000 a month, they know what they're doing. So you can attempt to work and get items like they are. These ones are out of stock, but you can see the Pokemon plush, and you can utilize tools like Helium 10 to see how much money they're making per month. Squishmallow, looks like some Barbie stuff, resellers. Again, a huge amount of opportunity. There's also trade shows you can go to and a lot more. But just getting started with a few products to resell is a great way. Now, there is the slow way to make money, which does take more time. The initial first year is going to be more difficult, but that's private labeling, just like Do or Drink did, right? So they made their own product, they private labeled it, they got it on Walmart themselves. The first year is going to be difficult because nobody knows your product, but since there's not many competitors on Walmart, there's still a lot of potential. And as you know, with Amazon, it was the first sellers who got in and on Amazon. Now it's been 5-10 years, and now they are still making sales every single day consistently. And that's where the slow money comes in, is making money, starting your own brand, getting a trademark, and doubling down on that brand, because over time, it will pay dividends. So this is the time to get on Walmart. Do a mix of reselling, starting your own brand, and get started right away. Make sure you do have invoices, everything's authentic, because it will bite you in the butt in the long run. But that's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, let me know what to do for the next videos in the comments. And if you learn something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart or Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.